everybody, Dr. Joe DuPuy here, DuPuy Family Chiropractic. Just wanted to share with you a tool that I've been using here in the office for over 8 years now. And it's not a new age technology. It's been around for a little bit, but it continues time and time again to be effective at helping my patients. And I'm telling you something, my patients that get on this machine, they love it. And it's called the MG33 here. It's a Pulsed Electro Magnetic Exercise. And so the earth puts off a magnetic field, and it's measured in Gauss, and it's measured at 0.6 Gauss energy. But due to concrete and shoes, we're disconnected from the earth. And so what happens is our energy actually is depleted. Our magnetic fields are depleted. And so that's not good. And we're bombarded with all the electromagnetic radiation that we're getting from fluorescent lights, appliances, the electrical grid, our cell phones, our radio clocks. And essentially what that's doing is it's disrupting the energy in our body. And so this helps to cancel that out and regulate that. But essentially what it also does is it helps to exercise cells in whatever joint that you put this loop on. So there's different adjustive loops that you can change it out and put on, like your knee or your shoulder or your ankle or your back or your neck and even your head. So I've had amazing testimonies with this. I mean, I've literally had people come in excruciating pain, inflamed. I'll put it on their low back or their neck for 10 minutes and they'll see a significant difference because it is moving swelling out, and that's essentially what I want to do. So it's a great complement to the adjustment that you get. So a lot of times you'll get adjusted, you'll get on this, and then you'll walk out of here feeling 10 times better. So all you got to do is just set the timer here, and you just click a button just like this, and you'll hear this pulsation. It's like an electrical pulse that goes right into your back, but it's also sending that magnetic energy in there and increasing blood flow and moving the swelling out. And so it'll be painful right where that swelling is. And actually this is about as much as I can handle because of my broken back. And that's a big reason why I purchased this 8 years ago, because of the amount of pain that I've suffered with. So this has been very instrumental in my life and helping me with my back pain. And it's also really big in the professional sports arena, and also with horse racing. And actually horses love this machine from what I've heard. So I'd love to give you a free session on this, and it's always free as a patient in my office. So feel free to schedule an appointment and get on the MG33. We'll see you soon in the office.